This is a video about translations in GSP. Perhaps you have recently watched a popular dancing program on television and were impressed with the dancers' steps, turns, spins, and jumps. We can think about and describe some of those movements using the language of geometric transformations. So that's a good application to be used with students. Let's begin by thinking about a well-known dance, one with from the musical A Chorus Line. In this picture, how the dancers were arranged, it's similar to the in that number is similar to this picture. So first, let's look here. Let's start with this stick figure. Highlight the entire stick figure, and let's transform it by translating it. It will ask you about how far you want it from the pre-image and at what angle you want it. This one came out as 0. That means they are lined up horizontally. Let's try changing it just to try and see what happens. A dancer would be on top of another, but we wanted to put them beside each other. So we say translate. Now let's test some properties of that transformation. If we move the pre-image, the image moves accordingly. Let's try the opposite. Let's make them dance. La 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 la. Okay? Let's see the distances between pre-images, parts of the pre-image, and the corresponding parts of the image. We can measure distance as we expect 5 centimeters, because that's how we constructed it. Measure, test again, 5 centimeters. Okay, so now if we want to line up 4 dancers, we can highlight one at a time and translate, or we can translate both to initial dancers. Transform, translate. Now, look what happens if we translate in 5, like we did in the beginning. We only end up with 3. What happened is that the original stick figure became translated on top of the second stick figure. We do not want that. We want this to translate all the way here, and this all the way here. So we need to have 5 times 2, which is 10 centimeters. Okay, let's translate them. Now let's see what happens. La la, they are all dancing together. Ha ha ha. La 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 la. Let's highlight more than one piece and move them. Okay, now let's move them. Voila, la la la. Okay. That is it now. I made their faces. Their heads explode. Okay. Thank you for watching.